Hello students, welcome to online classes of Semstar Global School. I am Fizza Akhtar and today we are going to start with a very beautiful poem, Ozymandias, written by Percy Bysshe Shelley. Before moving towards the poetry, let us know about the poet. Percy Bysshe Shelley was born on 4th August 1792. She was a renowned poet of the Romantic age and one of the finest lyric poets in English literature. Shelley did not see fame during his lifetime, but recognition of his achievements grew steadily following his death. He was perhaps best known for his classic poems such as Ode to a Skylark, The Cloud, Ode to the West Wind, and Ozymandias. In this part, I'll give you the whole analysis of the poetry. Ozymandias is a 14-line poem or a sonnet divided into two stanzas, one of 8 lines and the other of 6 lines. In this poem, the speaker listens to a traveler describing the ruins of a huge stone statue once ordered by King Ozymandias. Ozymandias was a Greek name for the Egyptian pharaoh Ramesses II, who ruled Egypt from 1279 BCE to 1213 BCE. The traveler says that only the ruins of the statue remain. The pedestal of the statue has an inscription which asks people to look around and admire the majesty of his kingdom. Ironically, all traces of his power have been wiped out with the passing years. The speaker thus realizes that even the most influential and powerful are mocked by time. Basically, in simple terms, I can tell you, the poem reminds the powerful that their powers also are temporary and are not immortal. That was the summary of the whole poetry. We will go with line by line explanation in the next part of the video. Till then, you have to keep studying, keep revising. Take care, everybody. Thank you.